Thank you for always watching my YouTube channel. I was wondering if you could take a look at this today. Yes, we are using a three-dimensional sand printer, which is something we don't typically manufacture ourselves, to create molds for our production process. Yeah, this was already more than 10 years ago. You know, machine cost parts were set up in Germany, mainly for BMW and such. Next, we will proceed with an experiment, potentially one that we initiated ourselves, utilizing molds that were previously employed in tidal flats or alternatively components sourced from German manufactured automobiles. This experimental phase will allow us to gather the necessary data for our analysis. Now, I would like to introduce Mr. Fujino, who kindly assisted us with this sand mold. Thank you, Mr. Fujino. Okami, yes, I look forward to working with you. Also, Professor Ogi, Professor Emeritus of Iwate University, Ms. Ota and Kumagai from Oitomi, who handled the design work for this project. It's a pleasure to meet you both today. Please note, within this package, there are various shapes such as equipment parts and lids. These components are included for your convenience. However, in reality, the shape of the casting already has a mold made of wood or plaster, sitting right in front of you. But paradoxically, that mold does not actually exist. This creates an interesting contradiction to consider. So where is the type? It's all inside the computer. It's more about design than mold, isn't it? Using that design data, these two engineers are creating the sand mold with a computer, utilizing what's called a three-dimensional sand printer. This advanced technology allows them to transform digital designs into physical molds with precision and efficiency. Yes, so we will make this mold. And well, there is a lot of know-how in this mold. It's been quite difficult to show everyone all the things we've been accumulating. But now that the iron has finally started to melt, we're going to go ahead and pour it into the mold we prepared earlier. The professor also said it's the first time he's expressed it this way. Yes, I can honestly feel that. How about taking a look as well?
It looks incredibly precise and Hakata is beautiful too. The attention to detail is remarkable. I'm super excited about all the different things we can make with this method. It's going to be so much fun to explore all the possibilities.
Thank you. Yes, it feels like our freedom has expanded again. Today, let's definitely enjoy this first experiment. We've been conducting this particular experiment for about 6 years already, but I'm pleased to announce that we're able to perform this experiment again this semester. I sincerely hope both the professor and Mr. Ota will enjoy participating in it as much as they did previously. Yes, this time around we've made some minor improvements to the procedure that should yield even more interesting results.
I've made 4 different molds, and well, that one over there is the large iron teapot style. It's a mold, so it's 2-layered, with the upper part being the mold for the main body, and the lower part is designed so that the lid can fit and flow into it, making it a double-layered mold. This one is shaped like a teapot, somewhat hexagonal. It's not very large because the handle isn't big. It's a one-piece design, so I'm a bit worried about what might happen if it breaks. Now, there's no way to replace just a part of it. Points, yes, it's one piece.
I see.
I'll try making it as a test to see how it works. Let's give it a shot.
And this is another type that I experimentally made before. I was just trying out different approaches to see what would work best.
It's about the size of a teapot. So there's no foam coming out. I guess there aren't many bubbles. It doesn't seem like there's any metal in there.
It's about 2 centimeters.
However, the fact that it hasn't shown up likely means it's already gone.
Oh, I get it.
Yeah, that might be it.
It's definitely a bit cramped in here, isn't it? Hardly any room to move around.
It's moving, it's moving. Oh look, it's coming out.
This is tight. Smell is intense.
This is somewhat towards the end.
Finally, I've made it around here. Ah, what a relief to have arrived at last.
Are you intentionally not putting sand around it right now because of Museki?
Yeah, that's right. Yes, this sand, it's the kind that doesn't expand, you know? It's like, how do I say it? It's kind of like little needles. Basically, the sand doesn't grow in size.
I see, so you're working on the assumption that it's not necessary.
This one's slow.
This wet, but it was just so-so.
It's finished.
Well done.
Yeah, when it hardens here,
That's the buttocks part, right?
in bone terms, yeah, that's right about the way of grilling, Chris.
You toss it away, right? All that gunk that piles up on top?
Oh yes, it's running away, running away.
Hardens a bit, you know?
Yeah, that's right. It doesn't use fire and it can't be used. Well, that's that. I have poured a gourd-shaped case, so I'm planning to take the mold apart soon to see how it turned out. Well, unlike the others, the poured water accumulates. It accumulates, and before hardening like this, it feels like I put it out. Yeah, it's in a state with none. Now take it. It came off. So, shall we take it out? Okay. Here we go. I'll take it out of the mold now. Whoa, it's turning, it's turning.
Wow, this is incredible.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
This is a world first.
It's a world first.
Excuse me, let me briefly explain that area. Since we have the chance, yeah.
Well, yeah, it's a gourd-shaped case, so, well. Yeah. When setting the middle and back parts like this, I made this section a bit thicker so it fits snugly. If you pinch it from above like this, well, I think it will be firmly fixed. So I made it like this. Yeah, just to be sure, this core also has holes for gas to escape from the side. After pouring it, there was a lot of smoke coming out, which suggests the gas is working fine.
So, how's the bottom part looking? The timing around then is just about perfect, isn't it? It's probably all good. Yeah, okay, let's give it a little tap.
Yes. Okay, I'll look.
Yeah, let's take it out.
Is it all good?
Oops, I'm going to break it thoroughly.
Yeah, hello.
Oh, here's the lid. Now, as I just explained, let's put a lid on this gourd and the other one. So, take it off. Oh yeah, I get it. When it comes out like that, well, I took it and the knob is crafted as one piece with the gourd part. The lid's knob is shaped like a gourd, which gives it a pretty intricate design. This unique shape adds a touch of elegance to the overall appearance. So I cleaned the printer. Yeah, I had quite a hard time cleaning.
Please polish it a bit to make it clean and cute and then show it to us.
Here it is. Here it is. Yeah, this one's a pretty big iron kettle. Yeah. There it is. This is definitely the one I'm looking for. It has two spouts, which is exactly what I need. So here we have the main body inside with the spout for the main body. And then over here, there's another one with a lid located around this crack area. And this serves as the spout for the lid.
In other words, there's an iron kettle here and below it another layer. Yeah, there's the lid, alright? Got it.
It's got two layers to it. So, I was thinking maybe the lid and the body could be made in one go with this mold.
Oh, I get it now. That's pretty cool. Alrighty then. Let's unbox it, the grand reveal.
How about it?
Oh, that's what's going on. Oh, it's spinning properly, isn't it? It's spinning perfectly.
Oops, I'll take the opposite approach. Think I can get it?
We gotta break it no other way.
Man, it's so hot. Alright, I'll split the bill.
Are you gonna break this?
Yep.
Alright, let's pop it open now.
Let me just tap this mold a bit. Still red, huh?
You know that super hidden spot over there?
It's this. I'll take it off now. Oh. I have a feeling this might not work out, but let's crack it open anyway. Oh. Oh, got it. Cool.
Things are going pretty smooth, huh?
Yeah, totally.
I was sure I couldn't keep my mouth shut, but truth is I'm actually worried too. But wow, it really went against our strong expectations in such a beautiful way.
That's incredible.
It's a normal flow, quite a bit actually. Quite a lot. This is a surface. Wow, it's really white.
So from now on, we're going to be thinking about things like durability and stuff like that.
Yes, definitely. Regarding strength, various materials are available, so I believe there are ways to achieve what was mentioned. No worries there. I think this will lead to the product's adaptation and compatibility.
Executive Director, how is it over there? Yes?
Our three-dimensional department staff member Kumagai designed this for us for the first time. Just like Professor Hori, I've tried many different approaches, and honestly I thought, this is impossible, but you guys totally surprised me in the best way. It feels like going back to basics. First of all, I realized once again that you really have to try it to understand. Thank you very much, Fujitade-san, for working hard to make this opportunity possible. Well, starting with this, I hope to conduct various three-dimensional experiments with the professor from now on. For industry prosperity, we kindly ask for your continued support. This time we truly appreciate the cooperation of Mr. Kawakami from Kiyotatsu Station.
I'm Tadami, by the way.
Then there's Fujino-san from The Journey. It's Fujino from The Journey. This is actually the second time for this experiment, but it has taken on such an impressive form. So I'm kind of curious to hear what you think about this.
So about our three-dimensional printer, you know, this ship-shaped three-dimensional printer thing, well, there have been like 4 or 5 companies already doing it. And for us, you know, the thing is that there are just so many manufacturers out there for the three-dimensional printer world. There weren't many places developing that material, so we took the user's perspective and have been diligently working on its development. It's now been 9 years, and this is what we've been striving for. Well, our industrial products have been evaluated by various companies, and I'm glad we were able to achieve something that is visibly understandable. Well, you know, since it's a sand mold, it's naturally fragile. So, in that regard, you know, the state of being completed is like an excavation, buried within the layers of sand. We extract it, and well, the dough becomes a product. In a way, it's like we're creating voids. Regarding that contractor, I think our easy-to-use cleaning technology was quite helpful in cleaning areas that were filled with sand and debris. The equipment performed well in those challenging conditions. Well, that's the kind of person they are. Well, but as a result of our hard work and dedication, we always managed to achieve it in the end. So that's something to be proud of.
Our technology is also part of Oitomi's history. You mentioned wanting to contribute in the future, but there's a sense of hesitation in your words. Thanks for your continued efforts. Please keep it up.
I believe that such learning at the forefront is absolutely impossible, so I am truly grateful. Thank you for providing this opportunity. Well, doing these kinds of experiments really teaches us a lot, thanks to the young people. I'm thrilled and believe this will contribute not only to our company, but to the entire industry's development. I hope it continues for a long time. Next time we'll keep sending more and more quirky stuff, so don't get discouraged. It's just a coincidence.
At the moment, we have a speaker provider who is cooperating with us, so, yes, well... Oh, Jonabe. Originally, the reforms you worked on, well... It's more like, well, the modeling is done by machines, you know. The design can be completed while we're sleeping. So rather than us, it's really Hosai-san's design that's being tweaked, maybe. So it's like our technology is coming together, and we're just the kind of business that provides support. In that regard, as much as possible, the real advantage of the sleep eater, as originally used in Tokyo products, is speed. Creating a way of life, designing it well, and even though it usually takes 1 to 3 weeks to go with the flow of things, being able to gather everything in just 1 week, including the input, is remarkable. I guess it's the technology of three-dimensional printing, isn't it? We also aim to approve and develop another great project, working to bring you plenty of joy and satisfaction.
Yes, thank you, thanks. Thank you very much. Yes, thank you for today. Hearing the words, I was moved from both of you. I think there really is an emotion in creating something from scratch and casting. Yes, this time too. Thank you so much for watching this YouTube channel. We really appreciate your support. I'm feeling excited and happy. Thank you very much.